This is Amy from Green CPC Technology. Now I will introduce you our another mini computer, industrial mini PC. This mini computer model name is GT4000. And the CPU can support i3, i7, i5 4th generation. Okay, first we will check the appearance. This is black color and the case is aluminum. And okay, now we will check the I/O port. We can find that this mini PC, industrial PC with a very rich I/O port, 6 common port, and 2 NAND ports. These are gigabyte port, and 2 HDMI ports to display. This is DC in, is 12 voltage, 2 Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, this is another side supports 8 USB ports, 4 USB 3 and 4 USB 2. And this is on and off. This is SPK and microphone and SPK. This industrial grade mini computers is mainly for factory automation control PC, digital signage, CCTV, and bank ATM machine, and medical care such as the X-ray machine. Okay, now I will show you the motherboard of this device. Okay, now we will check the motherboard. We can find that the motherboard inner space is quite big, and the motherboard's design is very clean and suitable. Okay, first we will check the RAM. This model only supports one piece RAM slot, and this is DDR3, and the max capacity for this DDR3 is 8 GB. And okay, here this is a 2 mini PCIe port for Wi-Fi module. This one is for first size Wi-Fi module. This one is for half size Wi-Fi module. Okay, let's move here. This is MSATA SDD. Okay, and this industrial PC also supports HDD, 2.5-inch HDD. Here is the cable, and for HDD also fixed on the case. Here are 4 screw holes to fix the HDD here. And here is one small battery. This battery is for safer bare sitting and the time and date for Windows OS. Okay, so this is the motherboard introduction.